So what is UX design and is it a promising career path? I'll answer both those questions in this video. Let's get to it. Hi there, I'm Dane, your resident UX tutor here on the UX Design Institute channel. So let's start with the basics. What is UX design? UX stands for user experience, and it describes the quality of the experience an end user has with a specific product, service, company, or brand. Although it's often talked about in relation to digital products like apps and websites, UX can relate to anything that an end user, a person, can interact with or encounter. Now, you might be wondering, is that the same as UI? Well, no. So what's the difference? UI, or user interface, refers to the visual and interactive elements of a product or service like buttons, icons, and menus. UX design, on the other hand, encompasses the entire user journey, including research, usability testing, and information architecture. Think of UX as the foundation and UI as that beautiful layer on top. So what does a UX designer actually do? Well, a UX designer wears many hats throughout the design process. They conduct user research to understand the needs and behaviors of the target audience. They create wireframes and prototypes to test and refine the ideas. And they collaborate with developers, product managers, and UI designers to bring the final product to life. Speaking of the UX process, let's take a closer look at it. The UX process typically involves 5 key stages: research, ideation, design, testing, and iteration. It's a cyclical process that allows designers to gather insights, generate ideas, create solutions, and refine them based on user feedback. This iterative approach ensures that the end product meets the user needs effectively. Now, you might be wondering if UX design is a promising career. Absolutely. In fact, according to LinkedIn, UX design was one of the most in-demand careers in 2022 and is expected to continue growing in 2023. With the advent of artificial intelligence, or AI as many of us know it, the field of UX design is undergoing a transformation, making it more accessible for people to build websites and apps than ever before. AI-powered tools and platforms have streamlined the development process, enabling individuals with minimal technical knowledge to create user-friendly interfaces. This increased accessibility has led to a higher demand for UX designers who can effectively leverage AI technologies to enhance user experiences. Not only does UX design offer abundant job opportunities and high salaries, but it also allows you to make a tangible impact on people's lives. Consider some familiar examples of exceptional UX design. Have you ever used a mobile app that effortlessly guides you through a complex task such as booking a ride or ordering food? That smooth, intuitive experience is the result of careful UX design. Similarly, think about websites or streaming services that prioritize user needs, providing seamless navigation and engaging content. These experiences are meticulously crafted by UX designers to ensure satisfaction and achieve business goals. And if you're interested in learning UX design, there are several paths you can take. You can enroll in a UX design course or program which provides structured learning and guidance. There are many online platforms and universities that offer comprehensive courses tailored to beginners and advanced learners alike. You can check out our free UX design course to learn if UX is the right fit for you, or dive right in with your professional diploma in UX design. It's the only university credit rated UX design course. It's endorsed by leading UX designers at top tech companies, and it provides a combination of on-demand and live sessions with support from mentors, career coaches, and a vibrant community every step of the way. You can find links to the courses in the description below. Now, if you prefer a more self-directed approach, you can also learn UX design through online resources like YouTube. There are numerous channels dedicated to teaching UX design, principles, techniques, and case studies. You can follow along with video tutorials, join online communities, and even get feedback on your work. It's important to note that while YouTube can be a valuable resource for short tutorials on specific aspects of the design process, it may not provide you with a complete picture. Moreover, when it comes to impressing your employers, having a certificate to showcase your acquired knowledge holds so much more weight than simply relying on YouTube tutorials. Ultimately, the decision of whether to rely solely on YouTube or invest in a comprehensive course depends on your learning style, available resources, and career goals. Consider combining both approaches to create a well-rounded and robust learning experience that maximizes your understanding of UX design. Well folks, that's a wrap for today's video on UX design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community of learners. And hit the bell while you're at it to get notifications on upcoming videos. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.